Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shweb. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can change the color property the WinCC OA. The color property is widely used to make graphic more dynamic and interactive, like showing alarm, motor status, wall open and close, like motor on and off, indications, and much more. So the color change property, it is a graphical feature that allow you automatically change the color of any object based on the process condition or the tag value. For example, here you can see we have a motor. Once the value is true from the field, the motor color is changed to green. Once the value is false, then its color is become changed and it's again normalized. So let's see how we can configure the color property regarding our tag, how we can configure it. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial video. So we will take this pump symbol from where we take it from here. Yes, 3.2, then industrial graphics, and from here we take the this pump symbol also. This pump symbol, cooling pump symbol we take and we'll paste it here. And similar manner we take it from here, this tank, and the wall symbol we already take it from here. And similar mixer and the pipes. So just to reduce the video length, I already pasted here. Now I will put one of the circle over the top of my pump. Just give the animation. Once the pump is running, it's showing the green. Okay, and once the is stopped, it will show the transparent color for in this case. But you can put it like gray color, red color, any way of the color you can put in the off state. So after like this circle, paste, drag and drop it here. I change this color green, and I also shadow color. I also give here some shadow effect, and this shadow enable also I put it true, and here the offset I also change it, and the radius is a 180 for my case. Rest all the configuration is same. Now I want once the my tag value is true, then the color should be green, and once the tag value is false, then no color I want to. Okay, so I will select my circle, and after that click here to initialize. So here I will select the change color property, and after that here's two option is there. Either I will change the color of border or the fill inside color. For my case, I'm going to change the border color. So I will select the first option. If you want to change the inside color, then you have to select the background color. Then I will select the value dependent. This value should change once the my value is changed. Then here I will select my tag, and I will drop down and M01 feedback status and run tag. I will select it. Click OK. Okay. After that, here you can see once the value is 0, what color you want to put it, and once the value is true, what color you want. First the 0. For 0 case, I want to transparent color. No any color should display once the value is 0, and once the value is true, then it show the green color. So once the value is true, then it will show the border is green color. Click next. Just I want to configure that's it. Click over the finish. Now I will go the runtime. I will change the screen. Now, if I will change my tag value from the field from the off to on, so here you will find it. Now my color is changed. Once the tag value is true, then my color is changed. And if I will put it off, then my tag value is become off, false. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure the color property in the WinCC OA to uh, develop more interactive graphic in our SCADA program. Thanks for watching this video.